have to reduce our allotment by 2.5 million gallons a year to avoid surcharge on our water usage.
So we surveyed all of the residents, and then we also surveyed the business park, which owns part of the park, to see what people thought about doing a native conversion. But we opened it up even much broader than that and said, you know, what are your priorities? Do you want to pay a lot more in fees and have green lawns, or are you, open to doing something that's more water efficient? And through that whole process, we found that we had quite a bit of support, a lot of interest in the conserving water. We started doing a ton of research, reached out to some experts in the area on doing native conversions, and started to explore grants and ways that we could help to fund this. Got in touch with Northern Water, and they came out and did an assessment and looked at some and helped to give some great ideas. They actually added a lot of value in the process because they thought of things that we didn't even think about that we might do with the area to make it more appealing. And so it's been a great partnership from that standpoint.
So we've started this native grass conversion. It's the first year of that process, and there are plenty of challenges along the way, but we're learning a great deal, and we hope to be successful and get within our allotment over the next 2 or 3 years so that we don't have 10 to 20,000 more in fees from the city for our water usage.
We're pretty happy so far with the results that we're getting. There's been a few surprises along the way, but we hope that other people will be able to learn from our process.